Hi guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back again to Princess News TV. So what about this video when we say this man you can't carry a wife and the children? I'm supposed to make this video for some days now, but now today I get time to make this video. So this man carry a wife and children go dump for Nigeria and he can't carry that document, he can't come back to Spain. So the matter we want to talk about say why the thing happen like this. But for the issue, so for this thing now, me I don't understand who to believe or who not to believe. The man, I watched the video when they say the man dey cry say this woman he don't show him pepper well well. Say the money wey be say him dey send and all those things dey send, wetin he never do for this woman, wey this woman show am pepper and all those kind of things. So me I don't know. And the woman say this very man so wey be say you dey see, he carry say make dem go visit for village na so dem take go. So he carry she and the children, he carry dem go throway for Nigeria and he go carry that document come go back to Spain. And so the man do. Why most of those things dey happen? If it say maybe the man he dey Spain before, he dey work and all those things, you go carry the woman come back for Nigeria. Maybe now this kind of thing dey happen for people wey be say they dey Europe, they say they no fit marry woman for Europe, so they go back to Africa, they go marry there. Maybe at the end when they marry, you can't choose to bring the woman come the place wey be say he resident, anywhere be say country wey be say in the day. And now we say he carry the woman come, and the woman wey come carry come for Nigeria and the one wey dey abroad, e dey different. Because those ones wey be say they don dey this abroad, they don get experience. While people wey dey for Nigeria, they never get that experience wey be say people wey dey for Europe get am. Maybe before, maybe you don work before you go back to Nigeria. Sometimes you go work a year, gather money wey be say you go even dey starve yourself for year. They gather the whole money say you wan go Africa, go marry, go Africa, go do all those things. All those money wey be say you gather, you work, do for a year, you carry am go back to Africa. When you get there, you dey spend the money anyhow. And those women wey be say they dey see you, you dey lavish that money for their body, they go still say, where this man dey, money dey, this man na rich abroad dude, this man na rich abroad guy. So if she no marry this man, nobody else na he go marry, she go marry. So you go carry the always minute to marry this man, and the end now this man come choose to bring the woman come where in dey, and the thing say things no dey as she talk say the thing be, and the money wey be say the man dey give her well well before, you know, dey come as she see am, problem go start to dey come that place. Wahala go start to dey come that place. She go dey regret and say wetin make she follow that man. E get some they go leave that man, they go go meet follow another man for Europe. A lot of things dey happen like that, and I don see a lot of women wey don abandon their husband wey be say for Nigeria, carry dem reach Europe, they go follow another man go. Not only Europe, America, UK, US, all of them, the things dey happen there. So not only Europe, all those things, the things dey happen. So you go see say most me I no blame you sha. You say you no fit marry for Europe after you don spoil the girls wey dey here finish. You don make some the single mothers to go use to go marry for Nigeria. When you go there to marry for Africa, any country, whether Africa, no be only Nigeria, Senegal, Gambia, Cameroon, all the whole Ghana, all the whole countries that they do like that. So maybe now those women wey be say you marry come show you one car shege, your eye come clear. At the end, maybe you come the time woman for here where you come marry after that one already took her for your eye, you come for your back, come out. And this one wey be say me, I don't know who I go believe for inside. If he say this woman no be the man carry this woman come Europe, this man no get right to collect this lady document. No matter what wetin this lady do this man, the man no get right to carry this woman and children, seize her document, carry her go dump for Nigeria. This cannot done that way. If the man no pay the woman money, he no do carry this lady come, the man no get right to carry this lady go dump for Nigeria. No matter wetin this woman do, the highest thing wey be say this man supposed to do na to just leave the woman, he will go face the life, they go dey like that. But the thing say I don't know how the thing say happen, so I no hear from the man. The one wey I hear from the man is different from the way I hear from the man. But thank God say they don help this woman, they don carry her back to Europe country again. She and the children, they don't come back to Europe. It don't come back to Europe. As a woman, say, for instance, say now your husband, man, I go hold your document, your children document, all are you go hold am. Me, I don't know how everybody with their different this thing. So because me, everybody go need to hold their paper because maybe sometimes to get wetin you wan use your document do or anything. So maybe you dey sleep, maybe she dey sleep, na the man carry the documents and all those things go. At least thank God say the lady and the children don finally come back to Europe. For the help of one Benin man, I don't forget his name for Benin, maybe say help them come back to Europe. This one na for let's say for both men and woman. If you don't say, so this one na for the both of them. Don't forget to subscribe to Princess News TV. See you next on my next video. Share with friends, family, your loved ones. See you next on my next video. Bye.